Hey guys, I'm Aditi and welcome to my channel. So I don't think so मैंने properly कभी बोला है कि what exactly I do. So here I am and therefore I have vlogged it also. So basically if you have watched our previous vlogs of the team outing and all, and if you do follow me on Instagram, then you might have an idea what exactly I do. So basically I work with Khichak Motion Pictures and we have a team of around 10 to 12 people where there are a few videographers, photographers and editors. So basically I started around 2 to 3 years ago. That was the first ever thing that I started commercially. So yeah, I did start as a phone editor and then I moved on into phone shoots also. Back then when I used to do those things, I was also in college. I was completing my MBA. I don't used to shoot that much. Shoot मैंने बहुत late चालू किया, तभी मैं सिर्फ editing के projects करती थी. And now it has been a cute journey I feel because I think slowly and steadily I've been evolving. Basically when I refer shoots, those are for influencers which we do. Basically help them create the content. Mostly is branded content but sometimes we have like organic phone shoots also. Initially I used to go for assists and all. Until date also I do whenever I get time. If you follow me on Instagram, I do put on stories like about the work which I did and also you should follow me there so you can check that out. And now I do a few camera shot content also. Talking about this vlog, we started with a school shoot. I went with Prathamesh for assisting. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is around 10 a.m. The day has started not that early but I look very sleepy because very nice weather it is. It's raining since morning. Last 2 days it was like completely sunny and all, and आज के दिन ही बारिश होना था जब भी हमें पूरा दिन बाहर रहना है, बाहर रह के शूट करना है. Now we are heading to our first shoot location which is a school. And I mean me and Prathamesh are going together. Prathamesh is going to shoot and I am going there for like helping and for assisting. So yeah, अभी सिग्नल छूट गया है तो निकलेंगे. This is what happens guys. हम लोग का breakfast on the go ही होता है whenever like we are running little late for the shoot. और हम लोग का breakfast अगर morning में थोड़ा सा delay हो गया तो फिर हम लोग कुछ तो लेकर आ जाते हैं and then we eat in the car while going on the way over there. So assistant comes with a driver also. So I am driver come assistant come everything. Guys, we have reached the first shoot location. मैं कार पार्क करके आई हूँ. प्रथमेश आगे चला गया. Little bit goof up has happened. हम लोग का थोड़ा सा स्कूल लोकेशन का मिसकम्युनिकेट हो गया है तो वो कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपरली हुआ भी नहीं हम लोग का. हम लोग थोड़ा सा गलत लोकेशन पे आ गए थे और हम लोग का पार्किंग भी उधर से निकल गया. सो वो सारा केओस में इधर उधर जा रहे हैं हम लोग. तो अभी मैं आई हूँ पार्किंग का थोड़ा फिगर आउट करने. It was a career fair which they had and we had to cover the entire place. We had to take the candid shots of the people, of the students, and we had to take a few testimonials also. It was chill, it was not that hectic. We were like shooting, Prathamesh was shooting mostly, and in between I also took a few shots so he can rest and then I can shoot for some time. We are finally done with our first shoot and now we really need to run towards our second shoot. I need to get the car which is very far from our shoot location, so थोड़ा सा like 10 minutes का walk है. And Prathamesh is packing over there. He's doing the backup. I am the food person over here. Shoot के लिए आए थे हम लोग. जैसे मुझे दिख गया bakery, I stopped by and I got a few things for the home, shopped a bit and now it's time to head. Let's go. It is 4 p.m. right now and we are almost reaching our second shoot location which is the most important shoot for the day. You can see सब लोग driving and vlogging which is नहीं कि बोलना रहती. As you can see we are wearing the same color outfit. Basically we have reached our second shoot location. हम लोग का मतलब पूरा टीम आ जाने वाला है. So it's going to be a little hectic day. Event shoot है and it's for Mac. So it's going to be very exciting. I don't know what is it with today but आज actually हर जगह पे हम लोग का पार्किंग का काफ़ी इशू आ रहा है. यहाँ पे भी पार्किंग नहीं है तो वही थोड़ा सोच रही हूँ मैं कि कहाँ पे पार्क किया जाए. We were running very cut to cut. We had to reach around 4:30 for the next shoot, which was the main shoot of the day because it was for MAC Cosmetics. They had this event of lip gloss. We had to cover the entire thing. We covered the whole event. We reached on before time, before the event starts. We figured out the location and all. We took a few shots and we all brainstormed how to do all of those things. Also, we had our on-day editor there itself, and we were like 6-7 people over there from our team itself, so it was really fun.
और अभी तुला पण ज्यावेळी कार्ड द्यायचं आहे ना याला लाईव्ह एडिट करायला टाकायसाठी त्यावेळी फक्त पहिल्या स्लॉट मधलं काढायचं शूटिंग आहे फर्स्ट दुसरं जे काढायचं
लक्ष दे.
दुसऱ्या स्लॉट मध्ये बिलकुल शूट
शूट चालू व्हायच्या आधी शुभम सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट काम करत आहे. दोन्ही कॅमेरा सिंक करतोय. काय सिंक करतो शुभम, जरा सांग आमच्या ऑडियन्सला.
दोन्ही कॅमेरा सिंक करतो.
ते माहिती, ते बोलली. काय सिंक करतोय त्याच्यात ते सांग.
कॅमेरा आहे.
बरं ठीक आहे, कॅमेरा नको बघूस.
यू कॅन आस्क ऋषभ वाला.
काय कॅमेरामध्ये सिंक करायचं काय आहे प्रकार, तेच विचारते. काय
मराठी बोला मराठी चला.
वी हैव जस्ट डिड द टेस्ट शॉट्स ओवर हियर मेरे ऊपर. थोड़ा सा फैन का एंड लाइट का सेटअप है यहाँ पे. सो वी हैव जस्ट done with those things. Also for the get ready with me part, we did set up our own lights and all, so that we and Rohit was there with me for assisting. So हम लोग दोनों थे तो हो गया आराम से. When everybody was busy taking shots outside, I needed to take a few get ready with me shots over there. Hi. So basically now we are getting the product shot. कैमरा यहाँ पे हम लोग ने सेट करके लिपस्टिक्स के शॉट्स वी आर टेकिंग राइट ओवर हियर. 3 people are included in one shot, guys. This is how it is. So we had our references collected from earlier only, so we know what to do, and the references and all are like cross-checked with the brand itself. कोशिश करते हैं. This is a stop motion thing which we are trying out. So my role in that shoot was helping and assisting. I was looking around at if anybody needs light, if anybody needs some kind of lens, if anybody needs something or else, that I was taking care of. If the time is running and we don't have food over there on the shoot location, so I need to figure out that also to arrange food for everybody. Finally guys, हम लोग का पैकअप हो गया है रात के 11:30 बजे. Let's go.
So guys, बहुत अच्छा शूट था, क्रेजी शूट था.
कैसा था तुम्हारा एक्सपिरियन्स?
तेच आपलं चांगलंच होतं पिक्चर सोबत.
आता एनर्जी एवढी आमची दिसते जास्त, कारण नुसतं खिदी हसून
नुसतं बॅग भरत आफ्टर पार्टी अजून राहिलेली आहे.
बट येस, very much tiring day it was, and this is how a really long shoot day in our lives look like. I can agree it was a little bit hectic. It is almost like 11-12 hours day, but I can't complain because it was really fun. We had fun. If you truly love what you're doing, you would never get tired, that's for sure. And that's the beauty of a job. Really love it, really enjoy it. I think I covered everything in this video. Let me know if you want more such vlogs on the channels. I think that's it for the video. If you like it, so do like, share and comment. Bye bye.